Welcome to our series entitled Behind the Barcode. In this episode, we will be tackling how essential it is for businesses operating in the retail and distribution industry to adopt data analytics. Introducing Bellbird Farms Thai Holdings, a fictional company that we'll be using in the entire series. And Bravo, our new business reporting, AI, and visualization overview platform. Now let's get into the details. Bellbird encounters a few challenges, including the time-consuming task of downloading and cleaning the data from various databases, which leaves them lacking time spent in real analysis and insights. To solve this problem, the company invested in Bravo. It was able to reduce the data dirty work and save people's time with automated business overviews and key trends. Bravo is also capable of integrating data from SAP and automating reports and models. Let's dive deeper into the features of Bravo. Starting from the upper management, Bravo provides intelligent alerts and report summaries, allowing decision-makers to spot opportunity costs and revenue leaks, saving the company unnecessary costs. As you can see, the reports are customized based on who will view them, from the management committee, area or channel, or category director, to the account or distributor or brand director. On the left side are the slicers. These are used to easily select and access important filters. Once you click an item in the slicer, the summary and visualization reflected on the reports will be filtered accordingly. For example, the upper management wants to know the company's sales performance for its caffeine products for the year 2020. Upon selecting the details on the slicers, notice the instant changes on the reports. With this report, the management committee can easily conclude that there is a 33% decline in sales of caffeine products. The top line provides a summary of sales comparison for the same month of this year and last year. It also identifies which customer groups from a specific area are the major and least contributors. Under the product category caffeine, we can see in the slicer that there's only one brand called Flinders, and based on its performance and the channel of distribution being used, specifically convenience, it needs attention to work on improvements. Lastly, the bottom line showcases the prediction based on the current trend of sales. The line graph allows the upper management a brief view of gross sales performance for the first quarter of the year 2020. We also have the report for directors, which has a brief statement of the situation covering the sales on channels, categories, and areas, and a recommendation based on the brand and customer performance. You may notice that the graph on this report only has details on the y-axis, which is the amount, but upon hovering on the line, you'll see the month, year, and exact amount of gross sales. If the company director wants to know the situation last February 2020, because of a decline from January 2020, you can click on the point that states February 2020, and all reports will change accordingly. Lastly, for the account or distributor or brand director, the report only shows a summative of the situation and the recommendation. It also has a language option that can be very useful in communicating the report. With Bravo, the upper management can easily track sales performance and the factors that affect it. Bravo has made report generation the easiest it could ever be. In our next episode, we'll dive into a feature of Bravo that lets you see business performance from any point of view. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.